In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add money from debit card to PayPal. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can use a debit card to add money to your PayPal balance. So to do this, you will use the PayPal website or mobile app. For this video, I chose to use the PayPal app as an example, so if you would like to follow along, open the latest version of the app and sign into your PayPal account. Now, the first thing that you will have to do, of course, is to add your debit card properly. So you can go over to your wallet page. On your wallet page, find your PayPal balance and tap on it. So it is usually going to be right here in the middle of the screen. Upon tapping your PayPal balance, you will see the option to add money. So tap add money and they might prompt you to link your bank or a debit card. So if you haven't already linked one of these details, go ahead and do so now. So for example, if your banking institution is the Bank of America, tap on it here and you will be guided through the process of linking that account, including of course a debit card from that bank. You can link as many as you want and all of them will appear under your PayPal wallet. Once you have it successfully linked, which I can't show in this video because it contains a lot of personal information, and you tap add money, you will be able to specify the balance and choose the source of that transaction. So all that you have to do is go over to this page, choose the option to add money, and specify the amount. The money usually falls on your account within seconds, and you should be aware of any included fees. Usually bank transfers will not have any fees, but debit cards could, so keep all of that in mind. If you don't see the PayPal balance option, it could mean that your region is not available to have access to this feature because only some countries will have access to PayPal balance on their accounts. But if you do, it will be found under Wallet, and from here you can manage the cards that you have added and of course the option to add money itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to add money from debit card to PayPal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.